Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding a gesture detector and a concrete listener class so Android can interpret finger motions. Implement gesture detector. Simple on gesture listener in your activity or a dedicated class. This gives you on fling, on scroll, on long press, and more. Then construct a gesture detector with the current context and that listener. Once done, make sure to forward motion event objects from on touch event or a view. On touch listener into detector. On touch event, so gestures are recognized instead of raw touches. Now connect gestures to app behavior by overriding key callbacks. Override on fling and check velocity and direction to decide swipe actions. Use on scroll for dragging logic, and on single tap confirmed for taps that avoid double tap conflicts. You should convert pixels and velocity into meaningful thresholds so gestures feel consistent across devices. For precise detection, use velocity tracker or gesture detector's velocity values. Then call the appropriate view updates, animations, or finish by making the gesture robust. Handle touch interception with parent. Request disallow intercept touch event when a child should keep the touch stream. Also adapt thresholds for different screen densities and test in both orientations and with varied input speeds so gestures don't feel twitchy. Finally, add fallbacks and accessibility. Ensure buttons or explicit controls exist if gestures fail, and support talkback. If gestures misfire, log motion event coordinates and tweak distance or velocity thresholds as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.